All right, guys, today we're gonna be changing some parts out on the Evo. But while I'm here, my boy got some tires for sale. What about those back there?
Oh, no, those ain't for sale.
Oh, no, so they ain't for sale, but we got these right here for sale. We got these for sale. I put my boy info down in the comments. Take it easy on me. Yes, I'm still learning how to drive the car. No, I'm not proficient, but, you know, one day at a time. So I got these parts here from MAP. We're gonna be changing them out. For this one, cause I'm not sure what brand this is, and I know this is stock. So we're gonna put the MAP parts up here, and oh shit, I got them stock tail lights. What we're gonna do is take them out to do an OEM plus build. These look just like those, but I'm gonna take those out and put some black and OEM tail lights in here. It's gonna look real good, and yeah, finna get into it. For the people that don't know what we're doing now, we taking off this clip right here so we can pull this up. Gonna disconnect it from here and keep on going back to the back. Gonna disconnect it from here and pull this whole piece out and put this piece in. For the comments from the last video, no, I still have not came up with a color for that, but I'm changing this out to get a metal one versus the aluminum one, because when I do what I'm gonna do next, the aluminum one will potentially melt, so we're gonna change that out too before I do what we're gonna do next. But yeah, so MAP upper pipe, lower pipe, we got it on. That's that. On to the next thing, we're gonna do the tail lights. That's what we're gonna do next. So these the OEM ones, these the aftermarket. I'm putting the OEM ones back in. It's gonna look, I like this OEM plus look. These cool, but I want those, and I'm gonna sell those. And yeah, that's gonna be that. Now, with everything done, OEM tail lights put back in, new parts put back in. Yeah, this looks good. But yeah, after that, we're gonna change the lower parts up front and put the BOV up here. And once we're done with that, change the aluminum out to metal, and then we hit the dyno. Yes, sir.